Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Spanish Town High School, once grappling with public perception challenges, is now on a mission to rewrite its story one initiative at a time. The institution is highlighting the power of family, food, and positive engagement through a unique event aimed at bringing parents and students closer together. Yannick Williams has this week's edition of A Ray of Hope.
At Spanish Town High School, the atmosphere is changing and so is the narrative. The institution recently hosted a parent and student cook-off, an initiative designed to strengthen family bonds while shining a spotlight on the creativity and the talent within its home economics department.
So we realize that there is a sad narrative that exists within the minds of our parents today and even our students, where they feel that their child's academic success is solely dependent on what the teacher is doing or the school on a whole. So we want to shift that narrative and allow parents to understand that their active involvement in their child's life is only going to make it much better for their children in the long run, because we want them to win. We want them to unleash their fullest potential.
Teams of parents and their children worked side by side, preparing dishes under the eyes of judges, turning the kitchen into a space of collaboration and learning. For many students, it was more than just a competition. It was a chance to connect.
The bond is strong, you can see it in the food. If it wasn't in the food, then we would have come first place.
Patrick is a professional chef. He says cooking with his little brother then Roy is what keeps their bond stronger.
From our earlier age with him, we had this bond. So he always wanted to do or be like me. So to have him beside me in the kitchen, show him the little meals and so forth, it was very exciting. Just to see the joy on his face. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
The Home Economics Department, often overlooked, is now taking center stage, demonstrating discipline, creativity, and the life skills that extend far beyond the classroom. School officials say the event forms part of a wider push to redefine the institution's image and highlight the positive strides being made.
I really want the students to really take off and continue on the pathway. The fact is that the parents are there to support them now, and so I'm sure it is going to trigger off because one is going to tell the other. We are looking forward to have it as an annual event because we see that the students are enthused, parents have supported us, teachers as well. Everybody's just excited about what is going on. And as you would have seen from our banner there, when we cook together, we grow together, and this is part of ensuring that our students in the home economics department, that they stay together, even though it is just the skill of cooking, it can help them to be bonded.
As plates were judged and winners announced, the real success was already clear: stronger relationships and renewed sense of pride in the school community. And the Spanish Town High School says more community-based activities are in the pipeline as it continues its mission to reshape its identity and inspire both students and parents alike. With your Ray of Hope, I'm Yannick Williams.